Welcome to the Resto-Rob channel. Today we're going to go over my first tool haul in Pueblo. So let's see what I got. So here we go. This pair of pliers. It's not slip joint, but they are Eskilstuna, Sweden. I'm sure Ben knows more about that, and the guys over in England. Next up, found this. Let me find it here real quick. Pocket socket. I'm not sure if that says Taiwan or no, patent pending. So found a pocket socket. It needs to be cleaned up, but it's got multiple. I know it's got the sizes on here. Then here's the model number on it. Could have sworn I'll have to do some more investigation in on this. But the pocket socket. Then I found this Undo It. For like elevator. I used to use these bits for like elevator bolts and whatnot. But specialty tool. Next up, we got this Excellite in green, 11/32. So, okay, how many people think this is a Craftsman? Raise your hand if you think this is Craftsman, and you are wrong. It's an Isco. But wait a minute, you kind of are right. Isco did make stuff for Craftsman. So all your Craftsman that has an EE on it is an Isco. So got me a Isco ratchet. And then coming over here, I like my tappet wrenches, and I found a Long C Craftsman number 2 tappet. So this is what's that say? I want to say 9/16 by 1/2 inch. And I am correct. Long C. Next, I found this little Barclow, 1/4 inch by 9/32. Kind of cool. Found this P&C 9/16 by 1/2, which is pretty styling. Next up, yes, it is a Craftsman, Long C Craftsman, BE. Breaker bar. Finally, well, not finally, but then we got this Keen cutter. Sharpley Hardware Company, St. Louis, Missouri. This will clean up really nice. We'll see what we can do, but this is my first Keen cutter out in the wild, so I'm pretty impressed with this. Next up, it's this perfect handle screwdriver, which isn't very perfect right now, but will definitely need to be cleaned up, fixed in a future video. And last but not least, I came across this Spin Tight Walden Worcester 7/16 wood handle. So, I don't know if you've seen my collection of wood handle Spin Tight. I did a video on these before, and I made this kind of holder out of an old piece of oak board I found. And then over here had a dent in it. So I made this one as well for some of my other ones. And this one is a cool one because it's got the detachable. Trying to do this one-handed. Someday I will get my shop. Coming soon. It's in the works. But this is Walden Worcester. I haven't really done anything to this one. Half-inch. So if anybody comes across any of these, hit me up. I'm willing to trade to get a set of these. So yeah, that's where we're at. So for my first tool haul in Pueblo, first tool haul of my new home. So as always, please like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, share this video, like this video, and leave a comment below. And as always, stay safe and check you later. Bye.